Founded in 1985, we are the second generation of a family-owned and professionally run company with around 400 employees. Our forging capabilities include closed die forging, open die forging, and ring rolling. VINIR Engineering is a certified green forging and machining shop. With 3 manufacturing units in southern part of India, we are an end-to-end boutique forging and machining shop. We have spread our wings by establishing ourselves across the 3 plants with associated machining facilities at Bengaluru, Karnataka, Hosur, Tamil Nadu, and Kalukondanpalli, Tamil Nadu. With the installed plant capacity of 36,000 ton per annum, being a non-automotive focused forging company, we cater to the various industrial sectors like oil and gas, subsea, defense, mining, hydraulics, aerospace, nuclear power, railways, and wind energy. We are certified as a quality forging manufacturer by various certifying agencies. We at VINIR believe in go green, go safe, go heavier, and go forward. Connect with the most trusted and respected green forging company now.